What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how I've made more today in less time than I have in a couple weeks put together. Yeah, I made that much. I sized in, and I'll show you how right now. So let's get started in this video. Okay guys, so this trade right here, this arrow is on GBR. Right up here you can see the ticker symbol. And this is where my entry point was. It wasn't down here. I'm not going to say I got it at $5 because I wasn't sure of it at $5. And I'm going to show you why I got in where I got in. If you can see this right here, it was breaking this last little push, or the last high of day actually. So that's how I went about that. Because I was really worried with the down market. I mean, it was uptrending technically, but as it started to fall back down pre-market, and I was a little bit worried. We did get a little bit of momentum, and then it fell back down again, and I was just kind of worried because this didn't break this. So that's why I didn't entry in here. I was just a little bit worried about it. I mean, this could have been a good entry too at this 640, 645 level. I did not take that entry. I played it safe because I didn't trade on Friday. Like if you guys saw my Instagram post, I did not trade on Friday. I went on ahead and went and did some things for myself and took the day off. I didn't really see an absolute great trade that I wanted to take. There was a lot of shorts that I could have took, but they were up so high. I was just, it wasn't an A setup for me. Excuse me, guys. So this entry right here, again, I got in because of that. It was actually between $7 and $7.10 is where I got filled. And I got a bunch of shares right in there. More than what I even expected I was going to get. I put in a large order because this thing has a history of going supernova. So that was kind of why I sized in a little bit more. If you don't know what a supernova is, it means it'll run dollars at a time. And as you can see, this scale is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10, and you have 11 up here, which it hasn't hit today, which is possibly it could curl up and run up there. But I'm done trading for the day. I've made more than enough today. So why I got out where I got out. So 50 cents pretty much is a good chunk of change for stocks. So when it moved that much, I went on ahead and took 1/4 of what I had. So that set me up already. So my worst case scenario was it was going to come back down to around my buy-in area and I was going to sell. But thankfully, I didn't even have that problem because it ran up so fast. It actually hit my order as I was putting it in up here for $8. I mean, it was like instant fill, thankfully. So with that being said, I saw all this momentum, saw it pushing up here, and I wanted to see if it was going to hold this $8 or not. My stop loss became right here at the 750 level, where I had sold my first 1/4 shares. So I kind of let it come down and let it just kind of test a little bit, and then all of a sudden it did start pushing up. And I was going to sell at 850, but I couldn't even get my order in on time. So what I did, I need to put in my hotkeys again because I disabled them. So I sold another quarter at 9. So I'm holding half right now of what I had. I'm up quite a bit. So what I did was I let it start running, and it actually ran all the way up to this 1030, and I ended up selling on these red candles right here. In here, this 957 was my average. So I may have got some at 960 and some at 955. That was my average. I just sent the order and let it go because I was up so much already. Now, I don't recommend selling market all the time, absolutely not. But at this point where the spread wasn't gigantic and it was moving up quite a bit, and it was just now starting to get struggle. As you can see, it has a wick where it was trying to pop back up a little bit. It's just a really little wick. But that's where I sold at, and great morning for me, guys. Really, really good morning. If you guys want to learn how I spot these trades, if you guys want to get on my watch list that I send out every morning before 9 a.m. more than likely, if it may be 9:01, I'm sorry. Other than that, guys, I mean, I've had an absolute great morning. I've got some other business to take care of, so that's what I'm going to work on today. I got to get my car fixed because the window switch went out on it, so I'm going to spend about an hour doing that and picking up the part for it. Shout out to AutoZone for hooking me up with that. And then, other than that, I got some other little business to do. I got to go pay something off that I already had that I should have paid off a long time ago, but it's okay, and I feel even better about paying it off now because of this. So, that being said, guys, if you guys want to learn how I trade like this, what my strategy is, how I trade, because I learned from the best stock traders or penny stock traders there are, I believe, um, in the best educational system right now. So, with that being said, comment below. The links will be below to my website if you want to join. Just let me know, and we will get you guys started. This is actually curling up right now, so this actually could run higher than the 1030 level. But you guys can check and see. I'm going to go on ahead and get out of here. See you guys in the next one.